Forgotten username recovery failed on Morningstar Fix. If you've tried recovering your Morningstar username and failed, most people make the mistake of using the wrong email or skipping verification steps. The surprising truth is that with the right approach, you can get back in quickly and safely. Step 1. Open the Morningstar website or app and click Forgot Username. Enter the email associated with your account. Morningstar will send a recovery email containing your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check all your email folders, including spam, junk and promotions. Recovery emails may be filtered automatically, and multiple requests in a short time may temporarily lock your account. Step 3. If your registered email is inactive, gather verification details such as your full name, date of birth, and recent Morningstar activity. Contact Morningstar support directly with these details. Providing information about linked accounts or recent payments can speed up verification and restore access efficiently. Step 4. Once your username is recovered, save it securely in a password manager. Activating two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security and helps prevent future login issues. Following these steps ensures you regain access to your Morningstar account efficiently while keeping your investment research and portfolio data safe. Proper verification and credential management are essential for maintaining uninterrupted access.